Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for all the DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors out there. We're diving into the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, a game-changing set of tools that combines performance, durability, and convenience all in one package. Cut to unboxing. Let's kick things off with an unboxing. Here it is, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Show the kit from various angles. Just look at how robust and organized everything is inside this carrying case. Each tool has its own spot, making sure you've got everything ready to go whenever you need it. Show each tool. Now let's take a closer look at what's included in this amazing toolkit. We have the drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and so much more. Briefly show functionality of each tool. Each one of these tools is engineered to give you maximum efficiency and power. Let's talk about the features. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit utilizes brushless motor technology, which means you'll enjoy longer runtime and reduced wear and tear on your tools. This is a huge plus if you're tackling demanding workloads. Cut to demonstration. Demonstrate each tool in action. Watch as this drill glides through it effortlessly and the impact driver tightens bolts with lightning speed. The DEWALT 20V Max series is designed not only for power but also for user comfort, allowing you to work longer without feeling fatigued. Don't forget about compatibility. The beauty of the DEWALT 20V Max system is that all tools use the same battery platform. Show battery swapping between tools. This means less time charging batteries and more time getting the job done. Discuss applications. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro in the construction business, this combo kit has you covered for almost any project thrown your way. From home renovation tasks to heavy-duty construction needs, the DEWALT 20V Max tools offer unmatched performance. Conclusion: as we wrap up, we want to know, what's your favorite tool from the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tool demonstrations. Outro, call to action. Remember, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is not just a toolset, it's an investment in quality and performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. DCD 996 and the Cordless Tools Combo Kit has a DEWALT-built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers up to 75% more runtime versus 18V NiCad brushed motors. DCD 996 and the cordless tool set has a heavy-duty half-an-inch ratcheting nitrocarboized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. DCF 887 and the drill/impact driver combo kit has 3 speed settings for versatility with precision drive for added control. DCS 570 uses a 7 1/4 inch blade to provide 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. DCS 570 has runtime to complete 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine. DCS 367 has a variable speed trigger with 0 to 2900 SPM. DCS 355 has a quick change accessory system that allows blades and attachments. Depth review of the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. In this video, we take a closer look at the ultimate tool set designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit includes a variety of essential tools that are perfect for tackling any project, whether you're working on a construction site or doing some home renovations. If you're searching for a versatile and reliable power tool system, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a top choice. This kit typically features premium tools such as a drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and several more, all utilizing DEWALT's powerful 20V Max battery system. With its compact design and lightweight features, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit ensures ease of use and excellent maneuverability for tight spaces. The DEWALT 20V Max tools are designed with durability in mind, ensuring that they can withstand tough job site conditions. Each tool is engineered to provide maximum performance and is equipped with brushless motors that improve runtime and extend the life of the tools. In addition, the DEWALT 20V Max batteries are compatible across the entire line, so you can easily swap out batteries between different tools, minimizing downtime. This video offers an unboxing experience followed by a detailed hands-on demonstration of each tool included in the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. You will see exactly what comes in the kit, how each tool performs, and the benefits that these tools bring to your projects. We'll also delve into the versatility of the DEWALT 20V Max system, showcasing its adaptability in different scenarios, from woodworking and metalworking to basic repairs. Join us as we highlight the impressive features, specifications, and real-world application of the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Remember to subscribe for more content on the DEWALT 20V Max series and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started on unlocking the power of DEWALT together in this comprehensive exploration of the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors out there. We're diving into the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, a game-changing set of tools that combines performance, durability, and convenience all in one package. Cut to unboxing. Let's kick things off with an unboxing. Here it is, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Show the kit from various angles. Just look at how robust and organized everything is inside this carrying case. Each tool has its own spot, making sure you've got everything ready to go whenever you need it. Show each tool. Now let's take a closer look at what's included in this amazing toolkit. We have the drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw,